What's going on YouTube? I'm Nick the Tutor, and today we're going to talk about college essays. The early admissions deadlines are coming up in November, so I want to make sure that all of you know exactly what you need to do to make your essays stand out in 2022 and beyond. So let's get into it. All right, so how do you make your college essays stand out? Well, one of the problems with college essays is that people tend to gravitate towards the same topics over and over and over again, and they lack a level of creativity that makes the essay stand out. So number one thing we need to do is make sure that we maintain as much creativity as we can, and more importantly, make sure that the essays reflect something positive about you as a person. The biggest mistake students make on college essays is they write it about someone else instead of about themselves. Now let's go into some background about college essays. The college essay writing process is very different from writing an essay for school. A lot of you will probably complete your college essays in English class or over the summer in some kind of program. You might complete it for a teacher, for a grade. That is great. The only issue is the grading system for school is very different than the analysis for college applications. In school, teachers are mostly grading us on how much effort we put in, spelling, grammar, sentence structure, stuff like that, which of course is really important for college essays, but what's more important for college essays is originality and detail and creativity. So let's get into some more specifics about what will make a college essay successful. Now, I said to you before, a personalized, individualized college essay is really what you're looking for, right? So how do we achieve that? Well, some great ways to look at college essay writing would be this. Like, if you can look at, okay, what things have I done to impact my community positively? What things have I done, right? Because if you've done something, that is a very unique thing that applies to you and probably not a lot of other people. Another thing to think about is, has everyone done this thing? Because if everyone has done the thing that I'm thinking about writing my college essay about, then it might not be as good of a topic because other people have probably sent in essays even this year about that topic. For example, if every student or a large number of students at your school have a similar summer job, right? That could be a summer job can be a great college essay, but if there's 45 students working at that summer job and all 45 write about that same summer job for their college essay, it's not going to stand out as much. Everybody is unique, everybody is talented, everybody does things that only they have done, that only they can say or speak about from personal experience. That's what you want to gravitate in terms of an experience on your college application and for your college essays. Another great topic for a college essay is charitable work that you've done. The thing is, if everyone in your school is doing the same charitable work, it could be difficult to stand out with that. So what you want to do is find out a different way that you can give back to your community. There's plenty of different ways, even if it's 1 hour of your time or a day or a week or a month, whatever it is. If someone else is benefiting from that, you're changing someone else's life for the better. That could be a great topic for a college essay because you can say something that you did to help someone else, and that's hugely important. Other great topics to write about would be like important moments in your life, something that happened to you in particular. Now, one thing I would say about that, like an essay about a moment or an event or something that happened to you, you want to make sure that you keep it on a positive tone. A lot of students tend to gravitate towards bad things that happened to them. If they were injured, they became sick, if something happened to them or their family. Those can be great college essays, but you have to be careful how you craft them because you do not want to be overly negative or critical of anybody. That's why things like death, disease, and divorce are typically topics to avoid in college essays because those can go down more of a negative tone, whereas you want a more positive and uplifting tone about something that you did that's positive and makes you a great college student. Another incredible college essay topic to go down that I've seen students have a ton of success with is talking about an intellectual curiosity or just a subject that they are very interested in. For example, if you're applying to school for engineering or for business or something like that, if you could write a college essay that says, I have spent a lot of my time doing this already, I really want this to be a part of the rest of my life, whether it be engineering, I coded something, I built something, I was on my school's robotics team, I did X, Y, and Z. That can be a very powerful college essay because it connects well with the other parts of your application. It makes a lot of sense to the person reading it. Okay, I understand this student. This person really does care about this and they want it to be a part of their life. That gives them a very good reason to see how you would fit within their college. If it's a totally random essay, that can work as well, but showing intellectual curiosity is great because a college is a place where intellectual curiosity flourishes every single day. So if you can show that in your application, you're going to show them how you fit well into that environment. Follow these tips. Let me know, do you have any questions about what a good college essay topic would be? Comment your college essay topic down below. I'll critique every single one. See you guys soon.